So sometimes people travel 1,000 miles. How many miles?
1,400.
1,400 miles to come see me. And Ann Bear is one of those people. And we're here, we were going to have lunch, and we'll explain why we ended up not eating. So we're in the van. I'm dropping her off at the airport now for her to go back to Indiana. And she's officially come down from the high, reflecting. We're just talking about all the things that happened, what happened to her after I dropped her off at the hotel. And there's just a lot here, and I just want you all to know about it. So let's jump in. What do you want us to share first?
About last night?
About any of it. What's the first thing that comes to mind about your...
Okay. When the session was?
Anything that you want to say
That's
right now?
better.
Yeah.
Session. Start from there.
Okay. Now that you reflect back, what do people not know from that we haven't said yet in the video?
I forgot about the weight blanket.
The weighted blanket we didn't talk about. So yeah, share the significance of that.
The weight blanket is a heavy blanket,
Sorry.
and it will give heat like a human being. And you get energy from the blanket somehow. It's like, it's okay. If the blanket is on there, it's more support.
It is. I use the weighted blanket, especially with anybody, or if someone's exhibiting the need to just kind of have a calm or grounding.
If
or
you're
just,
antsy,
if there's something that's,
skittish.
yeah, exactly, then the blanket provides an extra layer of safety, feels just like calming. And that's not a human, right? Because I could like just lie on top of you, but we weren't there yet. That wasn't appropriate at the time. So let's talk about, is there anything else a part of the session that we didn't mention that you wanted to throw out there? Because there's so many really cool things that have happened since.
I noticed if I didn't ask, and then it was not ready yet, because everything else just went. It just was okay. So have to listen to your body.
Listening to her, yeah, that's been a big part of this. So I really believe, and kept communicating to Anne, like, it's okay to say no, and it's okay to, like, if the body starts tensing up, then that's a no.
Right.
Even if you're like, no, it's all right, I'll try this, but...
And like in real life, you just function. So if somebody wants to touch you, and they touch you, it's function. There's a resistance sometimes in the inside. They don't know, but you just function.
Right.
And that's a big difference.
We tolerate a lot of touch.
Yes.
Right. So then, can we talk about what happened after I dropped you off? So, some of you have seen some pictures that I posted on Facebook. Also, just the video that we made. I wish you all would have seen Anne's face and seen Ann Bear's demeanor before we had our session, because this person completely transformed in front of me. It was really neat to see how your face. Oh, there you go. So yeah, so tell me how you experienced your shift, your change. How.
It's from control function, being cold, like can't feel everything.
Right.
And now I can feel everything.
So you've been telling me how you've been for the last close to 25 years, maybe like 23 years, you've been not able to really feel.
Nope.
Like
I
skin.
can see you and I know somebody's touching me, but it's like guarded.
A lot of guardedness.
Emotional guarded.
And now?
It's just gone. I'm open.
Yeah. Like your skin, you actually can feel your skin.
It's like a snake's skin falls off. And
Fresh.
now it's like fresh. It's
Baby
all,
skin.
yeah.
Like a newborn.
Yeah. Like, don't take much. It's like, okay. It's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
How about your other senses? You were saying that there's been an awakening of other senses as well.
Yeah, like I couldn't turn on I turned on the TV. I'm a TV person. I come home, TV on. I turned it on, I took it off. I said, I can't have it. I didn't want no light. I wanted nothing.
No stimulation, like all of that was you were too sensitive to.
Yeah. Phone, really low. I was silence. I'm like, I didn't want nothing.
Something that we went out to dinner last night, as you all could see in the video we made, and one of the things that you later told me this morning, right now, is that you felt nauseated because of dinner, because your body was like, you don't want to eat. Like that was too stimulating.
I was full.
Like it wasn't okay.
I'm full.
You're full. Like
I'm full.
And so we were gonna have lunch, and there's no lunch today because
I'm full.
Completely full, and you haven't eaten anything.
No.
And
the day before I didn't eat because I was so nervous. But I'm full. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
So, but
I'm sipping my drinks because I don't even need drinks. I just need it for
some hydration.
Yeah.
So I'm just noticing how your body is communicating now. Like you're listening in a way that you have not listened in the past.
No.
This is powerful.
Signals.
The signals are reaching you, and you're listening. Like you're actually letting your body, like,
talking to myself,
decide for you.
Yeah.
Make some decisions for you. That's huge. I mean, I'm just like so amazed.
And I can still feel.
So the last time you were able to feel that level of like body awareness was back in your mid-20s. May I say your age? You're getting close to 50, and it's been since then, this whole time.
Yeah, just function.
Yeah. Talk to me about sleep.
I slept 8 hours.
Straight.
Almost 8 hours. Straight, deep. I was like, out.
So what has it been like in the past?
Waking up like every hour or 2 hours. Pacing. Laying back down. Can't find no stillness.
Right.
Calm. Sleep.
And now you slept.
And I slept.
Your body was so relieved to finally get some touch.
I was out.
Now, at the same time, you've been going to counselors, you've done the talking, you've done all
It
that.
don't help. Not me. I can't. I felt like whatever they learn in college, whatever, they read that down and they think that goes for everybody.
Yeah.
And it don't. Life is not just taught. If you're in action, there's nobody there. So.
May I put my hand on your back?
Yes.
It's right here. I'm so amazed. There's so many things changing in you. Do you have any concerns about going home?
I have to set boundaries.
What kind of boundaries do you think you'll need to set?
I will set boundaries.
Do you know which ones?
The way people talk, act. The way I acted, it was not right. I want to set myself boundaries. Not just for others, for myself too.
Yeah.
Treat people different.
How are you going to treat yourself?
Better.
How's that? Can you think of a specific thing?
Listen more to myself.
Yeah.
I want you to grow to a tree.
Grow to a tree?
Yeah,
what is it?
We're going to be a tree.
Yeah.
Explore. Find my ways.
It's never too late. So tell us what the person at the hotel said about you. They met you when you arrived.
Yeah.
And then what did they say about you?
And I see that face in him because I was like, rock. I'm not that nice. Like, expression. If somebody sees me, they're like, oh Lord. But when I came back after the session, he was just looking at me like, phew. And I went to my room. I didn't talk. And then this morning he said, "What happened?" And I said, "That's San Antonio."
San Antonio charm, right?
Yeah. And then we got talking, and then I said, "You need to go to Cuddlist.com if you want to change and you don't know how and something is missing, or you got issues and you don't want to talk, you want to just drop."
Yeah.
I said, if you want to fall and you want to get up and walk different, you will. I said, it will take a few minutes, but I promise it will.
So we definitely do have some great providers at Cuddlist.com. I think my work is unique.
Yes,
I'm not like everybody on the site. Because
if you're in San Antonio,
come find me.
go find Janet Trevino, please.
Come find me. I'm sending you home.
I'm going home.
Maybe you'll come back. Maybe
But
not. We'll see.
Miles don't matter.
So one of the things also that Ann Bear and I have been doing, we've been having video calls. Maybe
And that's a
important.
big help too.
So that got us prepped for this session, this longer session, since we had 5 hours together. And it's important to, build the trust, get to know each other, and then we kind of just jumped right in, which was really good too. You feel it? What do you feel? You getting goosebumps? The good ones. So what's great about our technology right now is that we can stay connected.
Yep.
And keep talking, and just I can be here to support you.
Yep.
On whatever happens at work and getting back to life. And then you gotta just come back.
Yep.
Come back to San Antonio.
I will.
All right. Any last thoughts for people?
San Antonio, I love you.
Aw. How do you say something in Spanish, since you've been picking up some words?
Te amo.
Aw,
San Antonio.
Te amo, San Antonio.
Yes.
All right. Love you all. Thank you so much.